Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. Yep, it's Saturday morning. I do that a lot. Last night I took some fun. I'm just going to start almost calling these Friday meals that I do like this, these pasta with whatever, garbage meals. Not because it's garbage, but because I tend to clean out things in the refrigerator, or AKA cold box. But first, I made a field trip yesterday. I went to the Goldfish Seafood Market here in Yuba City. I'm going to do a separate video more on the Goldfish Seafood Market. But I picked up some nice, wonderful shrimp. Yeah. So last night or yesterday, when I was starting my prep, I put a bunch of things together. Like I said, I took a bunch of stuff out of the fridge because I don't like to waste food, especially produce. So I ended up using 8 ounces of this new shrimp I bought. And then I'm like, tonight's meal was supposed to be shrimp and linguine. So I decided, now, back to last night. All right, so last night I did bow tie pasta, or also known as farfalle. I don't even know how to say it, but bow tie pasta with goodies. It had a smorgasbord of stuff. It was a little bit of this, a little bit of that, so it was really, really good. The shrimp are excellent. I can give you that. The shrimp are very good. These were 21.25s. Okay. So I decided that tonight's dinner is coming out of the freezer. Red Baron pizza. Yep. I'm kind of taking the day off, but I still got to eat. And I got plenty of leftovers, don't get me wrong. But you know me and leftovers. Yeah. All right. So, hey, let's get to it. Simplest meal all week. All I need is what they call an air bake. Basically, the air bake is my peel, is my pizza peel. Robin and I have been using air bakes for our pizza peel for a long time. So we don't invest in a regular pizza peel. So I'm doing the 4 cheese Red Baron pizza tonight, classic crust. So that's it, folks. That's my Saturday. But I have some chores I need to do today, and I need to finish up this video for you on Goldfish, the seafood market. All I can say, if you don't catch the video, it's excellent, most excellent. So yeah. So on this Saturday, hopefully you have the day off. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.